Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can see I'm in the PayPal app on my iPhone, but you can also do the PayPal app on Android or just go to paypal.com. It works the exact same. Now, let's open up PayPal, and of course, you need to log into your account. After you've done that, we need to link an account on here, a debit card or credit card or bank account that you're sending money from through PayPal and then to someone else. So to do that, we can tap on those three lines at the top left, or a bit of an easier way is tap on accounts here, and then scroll down and you can see linked bank cards and accounts. You can just tap on add new if you haven't already, and add a bank account, debit card, credit card, etc. Again, it's going to pull that money from that account into PayPal and then send it to somebody. So after you've done that, you can see send and request money at the bottom center. Just tap on that. And in this case, I want to send money, and you can see it pulls in a lot of my contacts, and I can either enter in their name if they're in the contacts, the username associated with their PayPal account, their email address, or their phone number. So lots of various options. Now, in this case, I'm going to choose my brother, Aaron. So if I type in Aaron's name here, you can see Trevor Nace and his username. I can tap on USD, and I can send this in a different currency if I wanted to instead of US dollar. But let's just say I'm going to send $1. And in this case, I'm just going to add a note that says hi. Now, when I tap on the send button, you'll be able to see, oh, it says that person can't accept money right now. Let's try somebody else. Let's go, instead of Aaron, let's try Haley. See if there is an option for Haley. So tap on her and then hit continue. Now you can see, all right, here is that person. And in some cases, they might ask for their name, country, contact method, etc. So let's hit next here. And then I'm going to send them $1. Again, you can add a note and hit send. Now, after you've done that, it will pop up with this screen. It says, okay, it's going to send it from which debit or credit card you've chosen. In this case, it sends it from this Bank of America, but I can choose any of the other ones. Keep in mind, for a credit card, it sometimes adds a little fee. So a 30 cents fee you can see on some of these credit cards. But let's just choose that one. You can see friends and family. This is really important. Friends and family has no fees as long as you're sending it from a bank account or your PayPal balance. However, goods and services instead gives you a lot of protection on purchases. So if you're sending this to somebody after buying something or a service, you want to choose goods and services. This will help protect your money. After you've done that, you can see PayPal fee, since it's friends and family, is $0. It's going to send it $1 and it will be delivered in 1 second. Now just hit that send button down below. If you've never sent money on PayPal, I would highly recommend just trying it out by just sending $1 to that person. See if they get it, see if everything works, and then you can send that bigger dollar amount, especially if it's over like $100. You don't want to accidentally send a bunch of money to the wrong person. So I'd recommend just doing $1 first. Make sure everything goes through and it looks all good, and then send the rest of that money. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.